Hello, dear student. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn English through an easy and interesting story. The title of the story is Emma English Journey, A New Morning. Emma woke up early on a bright Monday morning. She opened her window and took a deep breath. The cool breeze felt fresh, and the birds were singing happily. She smiled because she wanted to make this day special. After drinking a glass of water, she packed her small bag and quietly left her house with hope and excitement. Let's now come to the flowchart and learn difficult word with Urdu meaning. Bright, रोशन, breeze, ठंडी हवा, happily, खुशी से, water, पानी, packed, बैग तैयार करना, journey, सफ़र, excitement, जोशो खरोश. Now repeat after me. Bright, breeze, happily, water, packed, journey, excitement. Again, bright, breeze, happily, water, packed, journey, excitement. Emma walked through her quiet neighborhood until she found a small library. She had never visited it before. Inside, the shelves were full of colorful books. A kind librarian greeted her with a warm smile and helped her choose an easy English story. Emma thanks her and sat near the window to read. Let's come to the difficult word neighborhood. हमसायगी library shelves अलमारियाँ librarian कलरफुल रंग बिरंगे स्टोरी कहानी विंडो खिड़की. Repeat after me. Neighborhood, library, shelves, librarian, colorful story, window. Again, neighborhood, library, shelves, librarian, colorful story, window. The new adventure. Emma opened the book and started reading slowly. The story was interesting and easy to understand. She learned new words and their meaning. Emma felt happy and excited. She decided to read a little every day and become better at English. She made a promise to herself that she would never give up on her dream. Now come and look on the flowchart and learn difficult word with Urdu meanings. Adventure, मुहिम जोई. Interesting, दिलचस्प. Understand, समझना. Words, अल्फाज. Meanings, मायने. Happy, खुश. Excited, पुरजोश. Promise, वादा. Dream, ख्वाब. Let's repeat after me. Adventure, interesting, understand, words, meaning, happy, excited, promise, dream. Again, adventure, interesting, understand, words, meanings, happy, excited, promise, dream. New word, new word. As Emma read, she found many new words. Some were easy and some were hard. She took a small notebook and wrote down the new words with their meaning. She learned the word patiently. Each new word helped her understand the story better. Emma felt proud of herself. The more she learned, the more excited she became. Now we will learn difficult words with their Urdu meanings. Word loves, meaning मायने. Easy, आसान. Hard, मुश्किल. Notebook. Write down. Patiently, सब्र से. Understand, समझना. Proud, फख्र महसूस करना. Excited, पुरजोश. Repeat after me. Word, meanings, easy, hard. Notebook, write down. Patiently, understand, proud, excited. Again, Word meaning easy, hard, notebook, write down, patiently, understand, proud, excited. Practice makes progress. Emma decided to practice every day. She read a little, wrote new words, and tried to use them in sentences. At first, it was not easy, but she did not give up. She asked the librarian some questions and cleared her doubts. Her English was getting better day by day. Emma knew that hard work and practice were the key to her success. Now we will start to learn difficult words with their Urdu meaning. Practice mashq, progress तरक्की, decide फैसला किया, sentence जुमला, give up हार मानना, librarian, doubt शक शुबा, success कामयाबी. Repeat after me. Practice, progress, decide, sentence, give up, librarian, doubt, success. Again, practice, progress, decided, sentence, give up, librarian, doubt, success. Sharing what she learned. One day, Emma shared her new words with her best friend Sarah. She taught Sarah the meaning and used them in small sentences. They practiced together and helped each other. Emma also wrote the new words in colorful cards and put them on her wall. Every day she looked at them, read them, and tried to remember them. Sharing made learning more fun and easier for Emma. Now we will learn the meaning of difficult word in Urdu. Share, बांटना, share करना, taught, सिखाया, meaning, मायने, practice, मशक करना, help, मदद की, colorful, रंग बिरंगा, remember, याद रखना, sharing, share करना. Repeat after me. Share, taught, meaning, practice, helped, colorful, remember, sharing. Again, share, taught, meaning, practice, helped, colorful, remember, sharing. A few days later, Emma and Sarah decided they would use their new words. They played a new storytelling game in the schoolyard. Sarah picked the word kind first and told a story about how a boy helped a hurt bird. Emma then used the word brave and shared how a firefighter rescued a cat. Both of them were very happy because they not only knew the meaning of the word but could also express them in beautiful stories. Now come to the flow chart and learn difficult word story kahani. Brave bahadur, kind मेहरबान, lesson सबक, practice मश्क, share बांटना शेयर करना, apply इस्तेमाल करना, grow नई महारत, grow बढ़ना. Repeat after me. Story, brave, kind, lesson, practice, share, apply, grow. Again, story, brave, kind, lesson, practice, share, apply, grow. Emma and Sarah were so inspired by their game. The next day in class, they decided to write down their stories for the school newspaper. Emma carefully wrote about the brave firefighter, while Sarah added a drawing of a boy helping a bird with his kind hands. They were excited to share their words with the whole school. When we practice, our abilities grow. Let's start. Inspired, mutasir. Newspaper, अखबार. Brave, बहादुर. Firefighter, firefighter, kind, मेहरबान, excited, पुरजोश, abilities, सलाहियतें, grow, बढ़ना, again, inspired, newspaper, brave, firefighter, kind, excited, abilities, grow, again, inspired, newspaper, brave, firefighter, kind, excited, abilities, grow. Inspired by their sex, Emma and Sarah were given a new, bigger challenge. Teacher Mrs. Fatima invited them to lead the class in creating a whole storybooks for the school's art fair. Both girls were so excited we can make a whole book. Fatima said with a huge happy smile. Sarah was already thinking of amazing new drawing and shared her ideas. Practice can make miracle, and when you cooperate, your abilities bloom. Now learn new difficult word. Inspired, मुतासिर, decide, फैसला किया, challenge, challenge, invite, दावत देना, whole, मुकम्मल, share, बांटना, abilities, सलाहियतें, bloom, परवान चढ़ना. Repeat after me. Inspired, decide, challenge, invite, whole, share, abilities, bloom. Again, inspire, decide, challenge, invite, whole, share, abilities, bloom. Emma and Sarah worked hard with their team. They made a class storybook. It was a hugger success at the art fair. They inspired that cooperation makes every dream possible. Learn the difficult word. अचीव, हासिल करना, कोऑपरेट, ताउन करना, सक्सेस, कामयाबी, क्रिएट, तख्लीक करना. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. अचीव, कोऑपरेट, सक्सेस, क्रिएट. अगेन, अचीव, कोऑपरेट, सक्सेस, क्रिएट. Hope this session is very helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and like and share the video. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.